क्रिमिनल केस और सिविल केस में क्रॉस एग्जामिनेशन एक बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट टूल है जिसमें विटनेस के वेरासिटी को, ट्रूथफुलनेस को जांचा और परखा जाता है। सिविल केसेस में इसका उपयोग कम है, लेकिन क्रिमिनल केसेस में क्रॉस एग्जामिनेशन काफ़ी इम्पोर्टेंस रखता है। क्रॉस एग्जामिनेशन एक दो-धारी तलवार है। अगर डिफेंस के वकील ने कोई क्वेश्चन बिना सोचे समझे किया तो एक्यूज्ड को नुकसान पहुंच सकता है, और वहीं पे अगर पूरी तरह तैयारी के साथ और समझदारी के साथ क्रॉस एग्जामिनेशन किया जाता है तो उसमें सच सामने आता है और अभियुक्त को ऐसे में फ़ायदा हो सकता है। That's why it is the cardinal principle that only the leading question should be asked in cross examination. Leading question means that when answer is yes or no, like whether on that day you were wearing red shirt or not. He will say yes, I was wearing red shirt, or his answer will be no, I was not wearing red shirt. So in a cross examination, what is the purpose? For the same occurrence, suppose that there are 5 eyewitnesses, then all having different perception, and that can be used to find the truth. That is why a lot of practice, thinking, and detail of case, etc. is needed for cross examination. And further, if some witness is lying, that if you have asked him whether you are 30 years old, and he in his deposition he has asserted that his age is 30 years, 30, but you show some paper, authentic paper, and you say that your age is only 25 years presently, then it will show that witness is speaking lie. So cross examination must be done carefully, and the purpose of cross examination should be clear to the cross examiner. Thank you.